What's the meaning of clubfoot? Clubfoot. Clubfoot.
Clubfoot. Clubfoot. Clubfoot is a congenital deformity that affects the shape and position of the foot. It causes the foot to point downwards and inwards, making it difficult or impossible to walk normally. The condition can be corrected with treatments such as braces, casts, and surgery, but if left untreated, it can cause long-term disability and pain. Despite its name, clubfoot is not caused by clubs or anything else external, but rather by genetic factors that affect the development of the bones, muscles, and tendons in the foot.